So last class we were discussing about the project life cycle phases. So the project life cycle phases are, let me repeat once again. We start with the conception phase. The second phase will be definition phase. Third phase is planning and organizing, implementation phase, and the project cleanup phase. So it is an important topic to study as an exam point of view also, and as a practical point of view also. So last time we have taken the example of your own final year project. So I have compared your project right now for the first phase of a project, that is conception phase. The days to go ahead, you will be defining your project, you will be planning your project, and you will be fabricating your project, you will be writing the report for your project, then you will be giving the final Viva Voce for your project. So that final Viva Voce will be your project cleanup stage. Okay. So is this clear for everyone? What are the project life cycle phases? Whatever the project size may be, whatever the sector of the project is.
Ma'am,
So
sorry
the
to interrupt.
project, yeah, tell me.
Can you make it slideshow wave? Ma'am, we are unable to see properly.
Unable to see this sketch, no?
Ma'am, maximize the screen, yes.
Maximize the screen. Okay. Is it clear now? Can you able to see? Read?
You can do the slideshow also so that it will be much more bigger at the bottom near the size.
Yes. Yes, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this, I have taken the picture from the textbook, so the picture is not so clear over here. So shall I explain once again this graph? So here all the life cycle phases are put on the graph, level of effort versus time. What is, how much amount of effort is required for each phase? So that is put on the graph. So the first, what you are seeing is a conception phase. You know already what is conception phase is. And the second one is definition phase. From here to here, it is a planning and organizing phase, and it is a implementation phase. And the last part is a project cleanup. So how much effort is required in the conception phase? We need around 4% of level of effort is required in conception as well as a definition phase. So these two becomes an administrative works. I have logged out. Shall I start once again?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically a case study it is. Case study on improving capability with project management certifications. So this is the project. What Telstra has to start with. What is the project? Certification. Project management certification courses they are going to start with. So Telstra is a company, telecommunication company. So as I already explained, also, it believes in that more the connected people, the more opportunities they have for the success. So more you will be able to explore and you will be successful in your career or in your future. So Telstra has approximately 33,000 employees in over 20 countries and offers a wide range of services around the globe with a focus on Asian Pacific regions and all. So 3.2 billion people, almost half of globe's population, use the internet, as we all are using the internet, connected to the internet, according to a Form International that they have done this survey. So they have given this figure, how many people are getting connected through the internet, to the telecommunications internet. So what is the vision of the Telstra company? So the vision of the Telstra company is our vision of becoming a world-class technology company won't be achieved without a world-class project management. It is central to the way we work and fundamental to our ability to deliver a brilliant, connected future for our customers. So this is the vision of a Telstra. So Andrew is a CEO of that Telstra company. What is the strategic plan? What is the strategic goal of that company? So the strategic goal is to create a brilliant, connected future for everyone. The objective behind this project is to bring up the certification courses and to create a brilliant, connected future for everyone. So that is the strategic goal of the Telstra company. So to bring up the certification course of a project management, they have established Project Management Institute, that is PMI. Project Management Institute, that is PMI. Through this organization, they are bringing the certification courses. So it frameworks the standards, what PMI is doing. It frameworks standards and certifications to cultivate the talent, standardize the qualifications across its global service practice divisions, and support the career paths for its project managers. Why they are bringing up the certification courses? So they are training the people in the softwares, what they need to connect throughout the world. So all that is the vision of that Telstra company. So then how they are bringing up, how they are establishing, how they have brought up this Project Management Institute, that is PMI. So the Telstra company fulfills this mission known as the organization of PMI, delivering the successful projects, and the Project Management Institute that PMI they have established successfully. So the first point, what they are focusing on customer delivery. They are doing to deliver. So their focus is on to the customer delivery. So the GSP division, which is overseen by the Telstra Global Project Management Service. So the customer into their certification courses. So delivers the high-end technology, consulting, design and development across all of Telstra's technology offerings. So they are delivering the high-end technology, the high-end design, and all will be delivered to the through the certification courses. So this certification course has been established in the year 2013. So GSP major product portfolio included network services, communications and collaboration technologies and scrutiny and cloud services. What is the major areas they are covering are the network services, the communications, the collaboration technologies and the security and the cloud services. So only in 2 years they are able to bring up through this PMI. So the need for the strategy. So the careful development and management of a project managers can contribute a great to our organization success. Telstra needed a certification model that would provide the confidence for its customers and ensure that the projects would be delivered in a consistent, reliable, and world-class manner. So this was the motto, the vision of Telstra bringing the certification courses, online certification courses. So here you can see the corporate wide initiative by Telstra company. So they have organized the project management institute itself, that is PMI, for bringing up the high-end certification courses. So this company is there in Australia. So in India, so we are able to see present. So all of you are going through the certification courses, that is NPTEL courses, online NPTEL courses through the Swayam portal, and online virtual labs are also have been established through this courses. So as a NPTEL course, so we have 2 courses for the project management. One can go through this as a certification course. Project management is one of the course, and project management for the managers is the second course for you can go through the NPTEL courses. So anything you want to discuss in this case study? Any queries? Any queries? Yes, anyone can unmute their mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any queries? Anything you want to discuss for here?
No, ma'am.
So I have done the case study today. Telstra company, which is there in Australia, which is the project for them is bringing up the certification courses to a high-end technology. Are you able to understand what I was delivering today? Yeah. It was interesting, or nobody is putting in chats, no comments in a chat box? Okay. So I'll give you one case study for you people to explore. So you can go through the recent project which has been which is supposed to start. with the Reliance Group of Industries. That is, who is that? Mukesh Ambani sets out to change the face of the Indian cities. The first project already is on. That is Reliance Group of Industries going to start your geo network. So you just go through that case study, and then we will discuss that case study in the next class. Okay. Okay. With this, shall I conclude my class? All are logged in. So let me take the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let me conclude today's class. In next class, we will discuss about the tools and techniques of a project management. Okay. Thank you.